Hi Srinidhi, welcome to the VOX stall. What led you to explore VOX?
Design. I'm an engineer myself, so when it comes to design, interior decor, it always interested me a lot. I could not just ignore it. And I heard about VOX through social media, and the designs were so lovely that I had to explore it more. And as I explored it more, I realized that they are too good at what they do.
In what ways does the VOX brand resonate with your identity?
The commitment, the passion that they work towards, whichever it could be the flooring, ceiling, any product they work into it. The quality, the range of varieties. I think I resonate with the commitment and the hard work, the sincerity that they put in behind every product. Yeah.
Are there any particular VOX products that you're currently contemplating?
To be honest, I'm actually in love with all of it. The ceilings, the flooring. I actually do have plans of including them in few of my house setup. So hopefully, let's see. I really love it.
It was lovely having you. Thank you, Srinidhi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.